Hi, today's motivation is all about attitude of gratitude. No matter what we have, we can get so trapped into what I wish I had more of or what I could do if I just had that. Listen, life is always going to come at you from different angles and you're always going to want more. I want you to know money doesn't make you happy. Enough affirmity of who you are in the world and their opinion about you, let me tell you, it's all empty. When you know that you're grounded in truth, you also understand that if you're not happy for the blessings of today, you're not going to be happy with the blessings of tomorrow. Can I just tell you that having an attitude of gratitude is the greatest mindset you'll ever have in your life? Because you can have everything and still not be happy. Would you please today do what you can to make sure that you're living a life that has an attitude of gratitude?